everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another amazing episode of BP Shine. I hope you all are doing great, and by the way, I am perfectly fine, Alhamdulillah. So, guys, have you ever worn a piece of jewelry that felt like more than just an accessory? Something that carried a memory, a promise, or a piece of your soul? Today, we are about to explore a world where beauty meets a meaning, where elegance embraces emotion. Welcome to the enchanting universe of heart charm beaded bracelet designs. Yes, guys, you heard it right. In this video, you will witness how a simple beaded bracelet, when adorned with a delicate heart charm, becomes a symbol of love, hope, balance, strength, and style. Whether you are gifting it or wearing it or designing it, a heart charm bracelet holds a story that touches both the eye and the heart. So join me as we explore not just bracelet designs but a journey through emotion, color, creativity, and charm. Now move to the meaning behind heart charm. Let's start with the heart, the universal symbol of love, connection, and care. The heart charm isn't just a trend, it's a message without words. Whether crafted in a metal, crystal, enamel, or even clay, heart charm carries its own emotion, romantic love, friendship, and rememberness, self love, or healing. When a heart is added to a beaded bracelet, it becomes the soul of the piece. It adds a depth, it creates a meaning, and it instantly transforms the bracelet from a fashion item into the something deeply personal and symbolic. It's what makes these bracelets perfect for gift, for birthdays, for anniversaries, or even self-love affirmations. Every time you look at your wrist, the heart charm becomes a gentle reminder of what truly matters. Beads that speak colors, textures, and materials. Now let's talk about the beads, the foundation of the bracelet. Beads have always held a power not just as decorative elements but as storytellers of cultures, energy, and emotion. In heart charm bracelet designs, beads can be made of natural gemstones like rose quartz, amethyst, jade, or moonstone. Glass beads also, especially those with a glossy or crackle finish, which add sparkle and elegance. And there's also wooden beads for any earthy and spiritual and grounded vibe. And for also metallic beads in gold, silver, rose gold, or copper to bring shine and modern flair. And last one is the acrylic and resin beads for fun, colorful, and playful designs that is perfect for youth or casual wear. The color combination also matter deeply. Pink and white for softness and purity, black and gold for strength and luxury, pastel for innocence, jewel tones for passion and also fashion. And don't forget mixed beads where each bead is a chapter in your bracelet story. Styles of heart charm. Let's dive into design variations because these bracelets come in more styles than you can imagine. Each one speaks differently depending on how it's designed. Like there's a single strand elegance, a single strand of carefully chosen beads with one central heart charm, clean, minimal, and deeply emotional. That is perfect for everyday wear, especially when paired with matching earrings or a delicate necklace. Second, there is stackable bracelets. Multiple slim bracelets, each with its own pattern and charm, made to be worn together or gifted in sets. These are great for creating your own story, one for love, one for strength, and one for dreams. Now there is a chunky statement bracelet. Larger beads, wide color contrast, and oversized heart charms that is made for those who love to be stand out. These designs are often paired with metallic spacers and chain links to add extra dimensions. And there's also stretch bracelets, elastic base, easy to wear, and loved by people of all ages. These are particularly popular in casual and boho designs with heart charms in enamel or colorful metals. And last one, there is the boho chick designs that is featuring irregular beads, tassels, feathers, and distressed metals. The heart charm here usually has a vintage or handmade finish that is perfect for free spirited and artistic souls. There's something truly special about handmade heart charm bracelets. They are not made in bulk, they are made with care. Every bead is placed with thought, every charm chosen with feeling. Handmade artisans often infuse energy, emotion, and purpose into their work, resulting in bracelets that feel alive. So, yeah, guys, that's all for today's episode. I hope you liked that amazing video. Keep watching the video, share your thoughts and reviews in comment section, and also stay connected with me. Enjoy your life.